Hello and welcome. If you have a parrot, or you're thinking about getting one, there are things you absolutely need to know. Because most people think parrots are just fun, colorful birds that can talk. But the truth is very different. Parrots are one of the most intelligent and emotionally sensitive pets. Mistakes that can lead to stress, screaming, feather plucking, or even serious health problems. So before you get a parrot, or if you already have one, watch this video carefully. Let's begin. Parrots are not just pets. They are highly intelligent animals that need mental stimulation, attention, and daily interaction. First, let's talk about the cage. Many people think a cage is just a place for the bird to stay. But for a parrot, the cage is its entire world. A small or empty cage can make your bird bored and stressed. Your parrot needs space to move, climb, and play. Also, toys are not optional. They are essential. Parrots need toys to stay mentally active. Without them, they can become frustrated and develop bad behaviors. Now let's talk about diet. This is another big mistake. Many people feed parrots only seeds. But seeds alone are not enough. Parrots need a balanced diet. This includes pellets, fresh fruits, and vegetables. A poor diet can lead to serious health issues. Now let's talk about attention. Parrots are social animals. They need daily interaction. If you ignore your parrot, it may feel lonely. And a lonely parrot will often scream or act aggressively. Spending time with your bird is not optional, it is necessary. Now here's something important. Parrots can live for many years. Some species live for decades. So getting a parrot is a long-term commitment. Now let's talk about common mistakes. The first mistake is keeping the bird in a small or empty cage. The second mistake is feeding only seeds. The third mistake is ignoring the bird's need for attention. And the fourth mistake is expecting a parrot to be easy. Parrots are not easy pets. They require time, patience, and understanding. Finally, let's talk about signs of a happy parrot. A healthy parrot is active, curious, and vocal. It plays, explores, and interacts with you. If your parrot is quiet, aggressive, or pulling its feathers, something is wrong. Pay attention to these signs. Your parrot depends on you. But if you do it right, you will have an amazing, intelligent, and loving companion. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more pet care content. And tell me in the comments. Do you have a parrot, or are you planning to get one? See you in the next video.